Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pull tab slider card using the little Ladybug stamp set. Now this stamp set is a Hostess exclusive during Celebration, which runs until March 31st, meaning that you can get this stamp set for free when you host a qualifying party of $375 or more. It is such a cute stamp set with lots of fun images and adorable sentiments, so it's easy to love, and it'll be easy for your party order to reach $375 when all your guests are excited to earn their own free Celebration reward products. So if this video makes you fall in love with this stamp set, make sure you contact me so we can start planning your party and you can get this stamp set for free. And by the way, in case you thought these adorable ladybugs couldn't get any cuter, guess what's coming in February? That's right, coordinating dies. So here are the measurements you'll need for your cardstock and DSP. You'll need a card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches and a piece of designer series paper that is 4 by 5.25 inches. I'm using a piece from the Follow Your Art pack in the annual catalog. You'll need a large slider layer of 4 3/4 by 3.5 inches and a small slider layer that's white that is 4.5 by 3.25 inches. The order of operations is key here when we put this card together, so make sure you do the steps in order. First of all, find some scrap white cardstock and stamp your ladybug. If you like, you can color it in with blends. I'm going to end up fussy cutting this out as well since I don't have those dies yet. When I buy them next month, this step will be even faster. Then you can go ahead and assemble your slider layers. Grab your 1-inch circle punch and punch a thumb hole in your DSP. Then lay your DSP and slider layer together face down and figure out where the foam strips are going to go. You may want to draw a pencil line to act as a guide. Now above that pencil line is where you want to punch using the classic label punch. Overlap your punches a little bit so they go in a straight line. You'll want to leave about 3/4 inch on each side. Now you can go ahead and put down your foam strips. You'll need one at the top, one at the bottom, and one at the side opposite to the thumb hole. Don't peel off the backing yet. Now it's time to stamp on your slider layer. Arrange your pieces so that you can see where that punched slit is on your DSP, and trace a pencil line along the top. Then stamp your image on your slider. The goal is that your stamped image won't go below the line. Depending on what you're stamping, you may want to lay down a piece of paper or cardstock along the pencil line to prevent it from stamping on the slider layer. Notice too that I'm keeping my stamping over towards the right side of the slider because the left side won't be visible. Go ahead and erase your pencil line when you're done. I'm going to color my flower in with blends. Next, let's assemble the Ladybug piece. You'll need either dimensionals or mini dimensionals and a 3/4 inch circle punch. Punch 2 circles out of cardstock and layer them together like this: circle, dimensional, ladybug. Add 1 more dimensional on the bottom circle. I can now peel off the backing layer on the top piece of foam strip and attach it to my card. Still not going to peel the other ones until the card is fully assembled. Lay all your pieces together the way you want them to go. Notice that your stamped image doesn't show through the slit because we took the time to draw that pencil line and not stamp below it. With your pieces all in place, peel off the backing from the dimensional on the very back of your Ladybug. Wiggle the whole assembly into place so that the edges of your DSP are in between the 2 punched circles, and stick down the dimensional so that it sticks to your slider layer. Now, when you pull the slider layer, you'll pull the Ladybug along with it. Now you can peel the backing off the other pieces of foam tape and attach it to your card. If you like, punch a hole and thread some ribbon through. Many thanks to Demonstrator Tammy White for her video on how to make pull-tab slider cards with a paper pumpkin kit. If you'd like to win this card, please share this video and then drop me a comment to let me know you've done so. I'll choose one lucky winner. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you're hoping to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, or earn them for free if they're celebration items. On my website, you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!